Hello dear students, good afternoon to each one of you. Welcome to World of Chemistry. This is your digital classes under theme समय 10 से 12 वाला हर घर बने पाठशाला. Hope so you are enjoying these digital classes nowadays. So dear students, before going to start, let me tell you from today we are going to start our chemistry period in our science subject, as subject science is divided into basic three sub-subject, that is chemistry, physics and biology. So one chapter of physics you have finished, as Mrs. Sapna has taught you in a very effective way the chapter of physics. Hope so you understood everything. So now I wish you will study the subject chemistry also with the same excitement and enthusiasm. So hope so your valuable cooperation and support will make my work easy. So let's start. This is the chemistry period, class 9th. Myself is Ravi Kumar Karwa from DAB Manali. I'm your chemistry teacher. Welcome to the world of chemistry first. So let's start with the positive mindset. Always I'm preferring to start my topic with the help of a positive thought. So today's thought is success occurs when your dreams get bigger than your excuses. So dear students, success doesn't come easily. It is easy to blame others for why you are not where you want to be in your life. Then it is to admit that you need to change something. Because of that, you will not become that which you wish. No one is perfect. My dear students, no one is perfect, and we all have flaws. When your dreams become bigger than your excuse, again I'm telling, when your dreams become bigger than your excuses, then the desire to succeed and make these dreams come true, it will overshadow all the excuses in the world. And no dream is impossible. No dream is impossible, or nothing is impossible in our life, but you have to get out of your own ways and stop making excuses if you want to be successful in your life. As nowadays in this particular situation of lockdown, I heard many people, those people are just making excuses and finding the excuses that how it is possible to do that or this as we are locked down. Same case I have found in the studies also and the school situation also. But dear students, as I said, nothing is impossible. As we are running these digital classes successfully to teach you all, with your kind cooperation, your valuable support will help us to move forward. So with the positive mindset, let's start. Now that success occurs when, now I'm making not your, success occurs when our dreams get bigger than our excuses. So no more excuses, dear students. Let's start. Okay, so before going to start, let me tell you the master plan that need to be discussed with you before going to start. I know in physics also madam has done her best, but in chemistry again I'm going to tell you how we are going to study through these digital classes. So there are 5 basic steps. Step 1 is introduction of topic. I am going to introduce the topic in best way first, as you once get what we are going to study, then the understanding part we will take. Okay, for the introduction I am going to share some PDF form, some downloaded videos, some self-made videos, some pictures, some online books to you, or a soft copy to you. So go through that is for your self study. Then after that, second step is understanding of topic. For the understanding of topic, we will come online, we will share you self-made videos, as today I am sharing this video to you. So this is for understanding. Third part is interaction, which is very important, that we will do telephonically. For that purpose I am going to make your conference call system, in which 5 students going to be divided in a group. One student out of 5 will be the group in charge, and he, as per given day and time, that in charge will start the conference call, and you have to join me and we will discuss about the doubts and problems. So after giving introduction and understanding, teachers need to interact individually with the student to confirm whether the students understood and or not. Okay, then once introduction is there, understanding is there, interaction is there, then need to be take feedback from you. On this day, teachers can share a self-made worksheet. I will share you self-made worksheet. You can fill that worksheet, or otherwise I will take weekly one day the test of all the topics that we have studied, just to check are you getting my points or not. Okay. Fifth is presentation. On this day, when suppose a topic is over, weekly one day, I am going to request the group, same group which is in conference group, 5 student group. They will make their own video at home, they will make their own presentation. As I'm making this presentation through this video, so you will make your presentation or related to that topic, and you will share it on my personal WhatsApp. I will see the feedback, how much you now come to know about that topic. Okay, that is your role. So with this, we are going to move forward. Some instruction during lockdown or online classes, you have to do the work at home as per given timetable. So this is your chemistry period, so you have to do the period your work in during this chemistry period. Sometime I found that students are just watching the videos, just going through the PDF, and by thinking that I will do this work later on. Later on mean in the evening or tomorrow or day after tomorrow. But my dear students, that later on or tomorrow, day after tomorrow never come. You have 40 to 50 minutes for a one period. So 40 to 50 minutes, you will get maximum 10 minutes video. It means that you have 30 minutes to understand the video and to make notes, to note down all the things in your notebook. So you have to do your work at home as per given timetable. That's it. Second, for syllabus and study material, teachers will provide. We will provide you material. You don't have to worry about that. But now I came to know that you got books and notebooks, so you can study from your books and notebooks also. For notebook, student has to use separate notebook. Physics notebook, you have done one chapter in physics. It's over now. Now for chemistry, you have to write new notebook. Take care here. First 3 pages you need to keep blank. You will start from fourth page by writing proper chapter name, by writing date, by writing page number, by writing heading. In heading you will write with the black sketch and with the blue pen. Okay. Similar way, question with black pen and answer with the blue pen. Okay. And index in the beginning, that is index is there in every notebook. That index you need to fill time to time. One student's profile page is there in notebook, that also you need to fill. Okay, you will use the black color chart as a cover and keep these things ready. Next, student can call the concerned subject. You can call me when I am giving you the time, one day and time I am going to share with the group. So like this way, black color chart that I already told you. So for attendance, students need to watch full video in WhatsApp. As this video I am sharing, you have to watch full video. Although this video I am going to upload in my YouTube channel also. Karo kuch aisa, duniya yaad rakhe. This is my channel's name. You have to go, you have to subscribe, you have to share, you have to watch full video in that YouTube channel. Only then you will consider it as a present. Subject teacher can call randomly. I can call you randomly to check whether you are going through these videos or not. Student need to attend whenever teachers will call you. Need to attend online live test, online Zoom class, online classes, wherever we will call. As per our notification, without reason you will not attend. Otherwise, particular student will be considered as absent. Hope so this thing is also clear to you. So now next is about books and notebooks. Dear students, NCERT book is compulsory, which you got from the bookshop or which you got from the vendor. Reference book is Dinesh publication. If you are going to buy a reference book, you can go with the Dinesh publication. Sometimes what is happening, the NCERT content is not relevant, it is not enough, so we need to buy some new books, other books. So Dinesh publication is for you. This is very good book, I gone through this, so you have to buy this. Okay, notebook, separate notebook, or chemistry, physics and biology you will use. Next is subject science. Now let's start the introduction of syllabus in proper way. So there are 15 chapters in your science book. 15 chapters. Those 15 chapters divided into 3 main subjects, that is chemistry, biology, physics. In chemistry, 5 basic chapters we need to study, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Matter in our surrounding, is matter around us pure, atom and molecule, structure of atom, natural resources. Whereas in biology, these 5 chapters you will study in biology. After one chapter will finish in chemistry, then biology will start. And 5 chapter of the physics. Okay, as you know that chemistry I will teach you, biology Miss Natika Gautam will teach, physics Mrs. Sapna Sharma already taught you one chapter. So let's start about the chemistry, particularly chemistry. In exam, out of 60, total 21 marks chemistry will come. Now you are thinking, I think up to 8th, so it was 85 marks or 100 marks paper. Now in 9th, why 60 marks? This year student, 60 mark theory will come, 25 marks practical is there. From this year you are going to be do your practical also. As and when the school will start normally, we will start our practical work also. 25 marks. Internal assessment is on the teacher's hand, that is of 15 marks. Okay, so in this way we will cover 100 marks. Now all the 5 chapters which is in chemistry, how it is distributed according to marks. So matter in our surrounding we are doing in the month of May. It will come 3 marks in exam. Is matter around us pure? June we will do 5 marks. Atom and molecule we will do in July. It will also come of 5 marks. Structure of atom we will do in August. it will come up 5 marks. Natural resources we will do in September, it will also come up 3 marks. Okay, and practical we will start once the school video start regularly, so it is 25 marks. So let's start formally the chapter 1. Before going to start chapter 1, a couple of things, dear student, I want to tell you. I know some of the students, they are very smart. They are watching just video in the beginning and then moving and forwarding the videos quickly and come to the last tutorial. But I am over smart. You will get some hint in between. Suppose now I am going to give you hint. If that student who is watching the full video, only those student can get what is the hint, and they will ask me, call me after that, WhatsApp me after watching this video, just to tell me this what was that hint, and in that way I will come to know how many students are going to watch the full video. So my hint is, before going to start this slide, it is there. I just want to tell you about the teaching learning process. Dear students, as this is your school time, school days, you have studied up to 8th class, now you are entered in 9th class, which is called secondary education. So from 9th, 10th, plus 1, plus 2, these are the 4 major classes where you need to inculcate the basic of your science, basic fundamental of your science. Now you are talking about the basic fundamental of science, okay, foundation of science. So this chapter, matter in our surrounding, is related to that fundamental of science. So here teaching learning process, it is not only teaching, although due to these digital classes one way process is going on, but we are making it effective both way. Like teaching we are doing, learning you have to do. So it is my appeal, try to get everything, try to understand everything whatever we are sharing. If some single doubt is there, small doubt is there, don't keep that small doubt, as it will become very big doubt in future. So due to that, please do ask at the same time when the doubt is there in your mind. Okay, this is my hint today, and those students who watch this video till now, or detailed video, they will drop in my WhatsApp any doubt or anything that you want to ask. Then I will come to know you are watching the full video. Okay, so let's start chapter 1, matter in our surrounding. Some of the important topics that in this chapter we will discuss. Total 9 topics. It means that 9 days it will take. Okay, so introduction of chapter, definition of matter: solid, liquid, gas, evaporation, condensation, sublimation, latent heat of fusion, latent heat of vaporization, freezing point, boiling point. These are the some definitions that we need to do in this chapter. Then we'll do characteristics of matter, states of matter and its properties, differentiation, solid, liquid, gas, factor affecting states of matter, interconversion of states of matter, evaporation and factor affecting evaporation, conversion of Kelvin and Celsius, and vice versa. So these are the following things that we need to do, particularly in this chapter. So next is, let's start with the introduction, matter in our surrounding. This chapter will come up 3 marks. Dear students, what is matter? First thing that from this in this chapter, that is name of the chapter, matter in our surrounding. One thing, in our surrounding. Surrounding means wherever you see here and there. In which room right now you are, just take a round, have a look all around and see what things are there around you, which is non-living. First thing, all the things that is around you which is non-living. All these things which is non-living, these things which is occupying space, mean wherever something you are keeping, that space is occupied by that material, or which have some mass. When you will lift it, so it is having some mass. Suppose you are watching with the mobile is matter, book is matter, this cup is matter, and car is matter, mobile, gadgets, computer, laptop, these are matter. Even rusting of nail is matter, fire is matter. So dear students, what will become the definition of matter now? Anything that occupies space, underline that occupies space, possesses mass, okay, possesses mass, and can be felt, we are feeling, by one or more sense organs. You know, by 5 sense organs: eye, ear, nose, tongue and skin. These are the 5 sense organs. If by these or any of these 5 sense organs you are going to get something, it is occupying space and have mass, that thing is called matter. Okay, so you will write 10 different example of matter now in your notebook, and then share with me. Okay, second, some history of the matter, mean from where the matter studies started. Indian philosopher classified matter in the form of 5 basic elements, Panch Tattva, which is called. Indian philosopher mean when very old days, that one of the Indian philosophers are those who are speaking, who are telling something about anything. So that is called philosopher. If suppose you are telling about lockdown, then you are becoming philosopher. Then we are saying always कि stop your philosophy. Philosophy means when our views we are taking to tell everyone, share to someone, that is called philosopher. So Indian philosopher, they classified the matter in 5 basic elements, Panch Tattva. It is air, Hawa, earth, Prithvi, fire, Ag, Agni, sky, Akash, water, Jal. So these are the 5 basic Panch Tattva, which is known as matter. But later on, slowly, when some of the scientists they did study some microscope, with the help of microscope, when we did study, we come to know matter classified on the basis of physical and chemical nature. There are 2 type of nature. Suppose physical nature and chemical nature. Physical nature, matter classified into solid, liquid, gas, basically. But in future now we come to know in modern time it is plasma and Bose-Einstein condensation also. So basically we will keep 3 states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. So now if you will take a round around you, so some of the things you will see this is solid, some of the things these are liquid, some of the things that is gas. Okay, so these are physical classification of matter. Chemical classification of matter is 2 type. It is mixture and pure. So some of the things in your surrounding, that is mixture, mixed with the 2 things. Some of the things are very pure. Suppose milk is pure, okay, but salty water is mixture. So homogeneous mixture is of 2 type: homogeneous, heterogeneous. Homogeneous means those things which are made up of same type of properties. Heterogeneous, which is made up of different type of properties. Pure thing is element and compound. You studied in junior classes also, element and compound. We will further studies also. So chemically the matter is classified into mixture and pure substance, whereas mixture can be separated by physical method and form pure substance. So it is homogeneous and heterogeneous, and compound and element. Okay, it is of compound and element. So basically mixture can be made pure by separating with physical method, and mixture is of 2 type: homo, hetero. Whereas homo means same and hetero mean different. Okay, and pure substances are 2 types. It is of compound and element. Whereas pure substance, when compound is there, compound can be also separated by chemical method. Mixture can separate it by physical method, compound can separate it by chemical method inside the lab. Okay, that is called this is the basic classification of element. Now discuss the characteristics of matter. As we know, matter is made up of small tiny particles. It can be atom, ion, molecule. Right now I know you don't know about atom, ion or molecule, but as we will proceed in this chapter, you will come to know atom, ion and molecule. More detail we will study. So there are basically 4 characteristics of matter. First, there are empty space in between the particles. Empty space between the particles. So tell me, water is a matter. So is there any space in between the water? Think. Okay, some of the students may are thinking yes, some of the students they are thinking no, but the real answer is yes, there is space. As you are putting 1 spoon of sugar or salt in between the water, so that sugar or salt can dissolve in water or not? Yes, it will dissolve. It means that there is space. That's why the sugar and salt it mix in between. Second, the particle of matter are continuously moving. Is it continuously moving? Take example of incense stick, dhoop, agarbatti. When you are blowing, we are burning, some smoke is coming or not, some smell is coming or not. You that incense stick you have fixed in 1 corner, but the smell is coming on the fragrance is coming all over the room. That is known as, that shows that particle of matter it is continuously moving. Particle of matter attract each other. Bonding. Particle of matter attract each other. It means that it is very close to each other. Due to that we have gas to solid, gas to liquid, liquid to solid. Kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is a kind of energy which is generated due to the movement of any object. So kinetic energy of particle, like water is continuously moving in river. Okay, so this is kinetic energy of particles. So basically cold solid ice convert into liquid, into gas, into plasma. These are basic different types, states of matter, and it shows the characteristics of matter also. Okay, ice is also an example. Ice can make the water also. Water can become the gas also, you know, by increasing the temperature. So these are the simple. Some of the states of matter are there: solid, liquid, gas. There is solid, liquid, gas.
Something happened to my brain. It's all dried up.
Plasma. Okay, solid, liquid, gas and plasma. There are the 4 basic properties, states of matter. So till this is enough for today, I think, dear students. Watch this video 2 times, 3 times. You have this video downloaded. So until you will not understand the proper way, keep on watching again and again. So conclusion is that if you want to become very good student of science, it is not only you have to listen, it is not only you have to study, it is not only you have to read, it is very important you need to think. And here I want to give you one mantra. If you want to become a very good student of science, you have to inculcate these families in your mind. The family of WH. W, what, why, how. Now whatever I taught, whatever I told, just think, what is that? What is this video? And why this video sir has made? How the video sir has made? Yeah, how it is happening? So once you know all this what, why and how, then try to do yourself. It will give you great result. Okay, your rate of response is becoming very good. So this is my humble request again. Watch this video again and again and keep on thinking what, why and how. Try to get the answer of what, why and how. You will become very intelligent student. Okay, so thank you very much. Thanks for watching this video. And before going to end this video, in the end I want to tell you, during this lockdown, during this pandemic situation, due to this coronavirus, please stay home, stay safe, take all the precautionary measures that government is giving you time to time, and keep on enjoying the digital classes. Don't ignore the digital classes. Take it serious. It is not your holidays. These are your school. Just we are studying at your home. Okay, as we are teaching from home, you just keep studying on at home. If any doubt, any query is there, please do call me. I am always here to help you. Okay, so thank you very much. Have a nice day. Hope so you enjoyed this video. Thanks a lot. Goodbye for till next video.